Hello everyone. Let us see four language skills of English. In this video, we will discuss all these skills with some tips that will help you read, write, speak and listen better in English. Whenever we want to learn any language, that time these skills plays a major role like listening, speaking, reading and writing. Type of language skills. We use language for getting information and to give information. We use language to receive information or to give information. We receive information through listening and reading. Therefore, listening and reading are known as receptive skills. We use speaking and writing for giving information. So speaking and writing are therefore known as productive skills. When do we listen? We listen in everyday life, in lectures, group discussions, brainstorming sessions, in presentations. We listen questions and also answers. Instructions we also listen. Means we can say we listen every time. So importance of listening. Listening improves speaking and pronunciation. Listening also develops our interpersonal skills. It also needs the active participation. Through listening, we also develop social relationships. There are some challenges also. Sometimes uncertain comprehension means due to the difficult vocabulary, we can't understand or we can't listen the whole speech. Speed of the speech is also one more challenge. Many a times we cannot understand the pronunciation of the speaker and due to that our listening cannot happen successfully. Missing words, concepts, instructions are also a challenge to the listener. Many a times due to the lack of confidence, listener cannot understand for the repetition. Hearing difficulties is also one more challenge. So let us see the solutions for the listening. If we want to be an effective listener, we have to be the active listener. Active listener means we have to pay our 100% attention whenever we are listening. Also, we have to make the concentration on the sounds and the words. Before starting off the lecture, we should ensure about the subject. We have to also read the key vocabularies. We try to guess the meaning of the words. Many times it is said that silence speaks thousand words. Means silence has also its own language. So whenever we are listening, that time we have to also pay attention towards pauses and silences in the conversation. If we cannot understand the things or concept, we should ask for the clarification. For improving the listening, we have to also listen radios, TV and other medias also. Next skill is speaking. When do we speak? We speak for sharing our thoughts and ideas. Speaking is also called as a communication. Man is a social animal. He can't live without communication. That's why for sharing his thoughts, ideas, information, facts, means for exchanging all these things, he has to make the communication. Means he has to always speak. He speaks in the class, in the group discussions, in the seminars, presentations. He asks the questions. Sometimes he gives the answers. Means there is the communication between one to one person or the communication between the person and the group also. Importance of the speaking. Speaking is the most obvious skill. It is also the interactive skills. Speaking develops our understanding of the words. Speaking is also used in the assessment. Many a times in the examination, we conduct the oral for the assessment of the students. Interview also conducted through the oral interview. Means we can say interview is also used for the assessment of the candidate. There are also some challenges. Whenever the speaker is speaking, many a times he has a lack of confidence, and due to that he cannot speak effectively. Uncertain timings, vocabulary, interaction is also the challenge to the speaker. Many times decoding of the nonverbal information is also the challenge to the speaker. Lack of presentation skill also plays the major role in the speaking or in the presentation. So we can say speaking is the most important and dominating of the all four language skills. Whenever we are speaking, we have to pay attention to words, appropriacy, accuracy, and fluency of the speech. We have to use simple words and phrases that one can understand easily. So there are the solutions. Whenever we are speaking, we have to speak very clearly and audibly. Speaker should also work on voice modulation and also on the body language. He should also ask the questions in between his speech. Speaker should observe the native speakers, their accents, their pronunciation, so that he can get the mastery over the particular language. In short, whenever the speaker is speaking, he should be presentable and confident. Next skill is reading. When do we read? We read in the lectures, in the presentations, in the tutorials, coursework, research. We get the information through the internet, blackboard, course documents, and many a times we read at home also. So, reading is the most important skill. Reading improves our knowledge of the words as well as reading improves our vocabulary. Reading will improve our grammar, vocabulary, and grow the knowledge also. Whenever you are reading, you have to underline the unknown words and look up their meanings online or in the dictionary. There are some challenges also. While reading, speed of the reader is also a challenge. Many advanced learners who has a good grasping power, that student reads very fastly. So once you are comfortable with the reading at your regular speed, you can challenge yourself to read faster. So what are the solutions? First thing is that you have to improve your reading speed, and instead of taking too much time, we have to read smartly. Many a times we read for the gist, or we can say to make the summary. Sometimes we read to extract specific information. Sometimes for getting the detailed and understanding we read it. And Sometimes reading is done for information transfer. For reading, use the tools to develop vocabulary. While reading, use the tools to develop vocabulary. Next important skill is writing. Actually, it is a very useful way or strategy for the we express our ideas and thoughts through writings. This is the most difficult of all the four language skills. We write for the purpose of making communication or for sharing the feelings, ideas, thoughts, and many a times we write to keep records also. But the basic problem in the writing is that accuracy and grammar and the spelling. So we write everywhere. Mostly we write in the examination, in the lectures, teachers' notes, in presentations, tutorials, assignments we complete. Importance of the writing. We speak a lot, but we write much less. But writing is very essential. Writing is also used for the proper method for the assessment. Means we know that every time the students are giving the final examination, that is on the basis of written exam, they are getting their assessment or they are getting their marks. It is writing is also used for the communication, means we are using letters, emails, fax for sending the information. Writing has a strong proof because it is permanently saved. Writing is also used in the legal documentation. In writing, accuracy matters much more than in other forms. So there are some challenges also. Lack of knowledge regarding the sentence structure, words, or the punctuation, we can't write it properly, or your documentation will not be proper. Lack of knowledge regarding sentence structure, punctuation, and grammar affects on your writing. In writing, you have to pay attention on the different styles or the different formats. Mostly writing is done in the academic area. The solutions of the writing. Writing improves your handwriting. Mostly everyone speak but cannot write. That's why we have to engage ourselves in the writing for the academic purpose. And we have to also focus on the written drafts.